How to clear Instagram cache on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can clear Instagram cache on your iPhone. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the thing that you'll need to do to clear out the cache is head over to your settings. On your settings, go to General, and from General, go to iPhone Storage. Now under iPhone Storage, you'll need to locate your Instagram app. So after it loads, simply search for Instagram, it's right here, open that up. After you open that up, you can simply tap on Offload app. Confirm the offloading of the app, and after you offload it completely, you will see the reinstall button. Tap on reinstall and reinstall the app. And after you reinstall the app, it will have cleared out all the cache of your Instagram app on your iPhone. And that's basically how you do it, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.